Hey, what's happening, guys? Bruno here, doing another video here. Darcy's been bugging me. So here it is. This is my square body. Finally got everything in the paint. Still got to sand the roof in the corner here so I can polish it. And then the cab will pretty much be done, but I ran into a problem because this color I was using, they changed the formula, the way the paint was made. And if you guys can notice, see the difference in the color here from this to this. So it's a little bit different, but you know, this one's actually a little bit nicer. The only saving grace is this is all underneath, and then you know, everything that's the original color will be inside the engine bay. If this was a customer vehicle, I'd have to repaint it, but I'm not going to that extreme with mine. I'm just gonna, I mean, at least it didn't happen when I was halfway done painting the outside of the truck, then I'd be in trouble. But the color is actually quite nice. It's got a lot of pearl in it, and it looks really good. So anyways, so that's all done. Like I said, I just got to polish. Did inside the cowling here. This is all done. So yeah, this thing is really coming along. What the hell? How long have I been working on and off on this thing? Like 2 years or some ridiculous thing. And then still going on the Buick here. I got the trunk lids ready. I just sealed up the seams there. Even that one. See, a little bit of a different kind of seam sealer. So I'll be painting this tomorrow. Kind of wanted to paint it today, but this sealer has to dry a day. And it ain't dry yet. So don't want to be rushing it, and then when I'm taping it, then the paint comes off. But I did get the doors done today, and they look unbelievable. Look at this. Look at this. Woo-wee! Oh yeah. So anyways, the insides are done. Thank God, they look really good. And now I can let those dry up, and I can start sanding the outside and then get that the outside done. I never like doing both sides at the same time, because there's always some shit that comes out from inside the door there, and I don't want it going up on the outside. But anyway, so we're finally starting to paint stuff. It's a miracle. It's a miracle. So tomorrow I'm gonna probably start sanding on those quarters right there, and get that happening. And then tomorrow I'll be painting the trunk lid also. Next day I'll be painting the inside of the doors for the square body, and so on and so on and so on. So there you have it. I'm going to leave it at that, because again, I'm running short on space on my phone. All right, guys, talk to you later.